Can your affiliate links really rank on Google's first page in seconds? Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and thanks for watching my review on Allure AI. If you've been struggling to get your affiliate links ranked on Google's first page, this new tool claims to solve that problem in just 27 seconds without needing a website, hosting, or content. I'll discuss the pros and cons of this product created by Art Flair that promises to bypass traditional SEO methods completely. Allure AI claims to insert your affiliate links directly onto Google's first page without any of the usual SEO work. According to the product creators, it works by placing your links inside content that's already ranking, giving you instant visibility to targeted traffic. The system appears to be incredibly simple. You just enter your keyword, paste your affiliate link, and let Allure AI handle everything else. No technical skills required. One major pro is the speed. Traditional SEO takes months, but Allure AI claims to get your links visible in under 30 seconds. Another advantage is that it works with direct affiliate links. Most SEO methods require building bridge pages, but this tool appears to let you send traffic straight to your offers. The third benefit is that it requires zero technical knowledge. If you can copy and paste, the creators claim you can use this system successfully. The biggest con I notice is the lack of specific details about how it actually works. The marketing makes bold claims about appearing rather than ranking, but doesn't fully explain the mechanics behind it. Google ranking tools always trigger my skepticism. The search giant constantly updates its algorithm to prevent manipulation. It's worth noting that Allure AI comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which might give some peace of mind if you're considering trying it. I recommend doing your own research and perhaps starting with just one campaign to test its effectiveness before going all in. Free Google traffic is valuable, but only if the method is sustainable and legitimate. But if you're looking for a way to use leverage to grow your income faster than ever before, there's a secret weapon that top earners don't want you to know about. It's called AI Finity, and it's completely transforming how regular people create, launch, and sell digital products overnight. I've linked to it below so you can decide for yourself.